Hey guys, so today the biggest news is this Adani's share crash, and that's what I'm just going to look about. If you see, these are the Adani group shares, and oh my god, it's like 12% down. 12% down. Adani Port is 12% down. Adani Power is 5% down. Green is 4% down. Trans is 5% down. So everything in Adani Group shares is going down today. And what's the reason behind the crash is one tweet again, like Elon Musk used to do for Bitcoin. Our Madam Mrs. Suchita Dalal, she hit the NSE, hit the share market world with a tweet, and that tweet is, yeah, she says another scandal hard to prove outside the black box of information available with SEBI tracking systems is the return of an operator of the past who is relentlessly rigging prices of one group. The one group she means Adani Group, which has like 5 stocks, and all through foreign entities. His specialty and that of a former FM, former finance minister. Nothing changes. Nothing changes. I think she means scammers. Scammers are just keeping on scamming. The operators are doing operations of the stock market. They are just operating the price to move even higher, and nothing has changed. This was the same case with Harshit Mehta also. That's what she was. She is willing to, like. That's what she is coming to say now. The same thing with Harshit Mehta also. Harshit Mehta was keeping on operating the stocks, and he was increasing the price to increase his net worth. And the greatest wealth comes with the greatest crime also nowadays. So that's what she's trying to track. So as a result of this tweet, what happened? Gautam Adani loses biggest fortune. Gautam Adani loses 10 billion in an hour as crisis hits the group of stocks. And yeah, Gautam Adani personal wealth stood like 77 billion, and he was the second richest. He is the second richest in India and also in Asia, according to Bloomberg Billionaires. And Monday sell-off, the group lost almost 15 billion. The whole group lost 15 billion of its market capitalization, and Gautam Adani alone lost 10 billion in 1 hour, and that's a lot of money. 10 billion is what, 75,000 crores in a hour, and the whole group almost lost 1,05,000 crores of wealth. And where did all wealth go? And I found a lot of people were instantly selling Adani shares, and even one of my follower, he sent me the screenshot of this one, where he sold it off. Adani Port. He was holding 23 stocks of Adani Ports, and he just sold it off at the last traded price when the market opened. So this is what happened. So why is market crashing in Adani Group? The market is going down because everyone are aware of this bad news. Everyone knows this Suchita Dalal's tweet, and and also the main thing, the people who were holding the shares of Adani Group, more than 43,500 crores worth of shares were held by 3 foreign fund companies, and all those 3 accounts were frozen by NSDL, and now they cannot sell or liquidate their shares of Adani. And rest of the people who are holding, the retail traders and other institutional traders who are holding, they just sold off Adani shares. And every time, like when there is a big sell off like this and all, there is going to be a bounce back, but that's not sure about in this case. But there will be a bounce back because Adani shares were going high and high and high, and you cannot expect a single share growing that fast. Maybe in like 10 months or 1 year, Adani shares have been like 100%, 1000% gains, which a lot of investors are doing for like more than 2 decades, 3 decades to take for gaining 1000% gain. And this Adani group of shares, like having surging around 1000% gain, is like out of the box, I will say. But whatever keeps going up has to come down, and that's what happened in Adani Group. And if they justify the reason behind the increase in stock price, if that is legitimate, legitimate and legal, they will probably hold this price like this, and it will continue to rally, or else we will face a lot of sell off. And what you should do right now, what should be our takeaway from this Adani shares thing is, maybe you could have booked profit and then you will safely exit. That's what you can do. Adani shares, if you see, for the last 5 days after hitting the all-time high of Adani Ports, it was like consolidating in the sideways manner, also having a bearish form, like sellers were there, and maybe some people like institutional traders, they know the news and they know the insights of the market already, so they keep selling. And for the past 5 days is being on sell mode only, and as today the week opens, it was like gap down for 12% down. And what should you do is just get out of this trade, and just you don't need such kind of profits right now, because you don't need to hold it. Maybe even if you entered like 2 days back, you will be in loss only, but my advice is to get out of the trade like this. So whenever a stock is in the news, I just keep away from it. So my thought is just keep away from the stock. You don't even need to make a profit in it, you don't even need to make a loss in it. So you just watch what's happening in the market, and stocks which is not in the news, stocks which are having a really good business and running a day-to-day life, like FMCG, energy sector, and pharma sectors, the business they run really good. You can hold to the stocks, and you can like swing trade it, you can intraday trade it. So always avoid the stocks which are in the news. But if the news is positive and the stock price is below the intrinsic value, that's when you can get invested in the stocks. And that's what my opinion is on the share market. When the market crashes like this, you need to sell off with the market. You don't need to hold on to it and hoping it will bounce back, because Adani shares is being like 100%, 1000% gain, and where else it will go from here? If it continues to go, if Adani shares continues to jump more than 100% now, Adani will eventually be the richest man in the Asia and also in the world, beating Mukesh Ambani. And that's not right, no? So if you feel something is fishy, if you feel something is not okay, just get out of the share and wait, look for your opportunity to enter back again. So even if you miss an opportunity in such kind of shares, it's not at all a problem. So this is what I thought I'll conclude in this thing. So this is with the Adani shares, and let's see how it goes. Let's see what is the news coming next. Even I'm waiting to follow this thing, because she's a big journalist actually. After Harshit Mehta scam, confronting Harshit Mehta, she is a big journalist. Now she's her eyes on Adani Group, and let's see what will happen right now from here. So I'll just have a look at what happened to the shares from this point. Again, everything gap down only after hitting all-time high. Adani Enterprises gap down, Adani Ports gap down and falling, and just it has recovered some. And Adani Power is gap down like 10 points, which is like 5% loss. Adani Green is down, and maybe it's trying to pull back, and maybe it's because of the retail traders, I think, because they are trying to get the stock at cheap prices. So that's why it's trying to pull back actually. It opened gap down, it's trying to pull back because of the retail traders. They think it is a small they think it is a small discount that they have, so they buy it back. I think so. Yeah, so better stay away from Adani Group of stocks right now. If you are already in profit, good for you, congratulations, you just book the profit and come out of the trade. And what happened to Bank Nifty today is the same thing. Bank Nifty also crashed because in the morning itself SGX Nifty was down like 60-70 points, and that resulted in Bank Nifty to fall in the early stage in the morning. And after the huge fall, it was recovering and traded for like 2 hours in a range, and then after 1 o'clock it started to break out, and now it's trading in the different range in a small uptrend. Where can we expect Bank Nifty to go after this in this week is, look at the 1 hour time frame. I'll say this is basically the position that I took. The yellow lines, it's the range. The white line is my spot price, and I feel like the Bank Nifty is currently consolidating in a trend, and it is a downtrend. Clearly it is a downtrend, and for it to break outside, it need to move like for it to break outside. Yeah, it was a false breakout right here, and the false breakout brought it back, and because of the Adani shares price, and for the last few hours of trading sessions it came down, and now it's again respecting the channel, I guess. So breaking the channel, positive for Bank Nifty, and also it need to break this high of 35,300 again. So more than 35,300, the Bank Nifty is going to go bullish, and if it keeps on respecting this channel, and if it keeps on giving the lower lows and lower highs, it's going to go down only, and you cannot stop it. And better stay with the trend, always stay with the trend, don't go against the trend, and it will totally eat all your money. And that's what I just want to share. And this is Bank Nifty, and this is Nifty is in a bull trend, but still it's in a consolidation, and it's in a range for a long time. I think from June, for the last 10 days it's in a range, and it is waiting for, I mean, investors are confused to whether buy or sell. It's a good time to buy or book profits and whatever. So only after the breakdown, after over 850 or 15,900, we will know whether the market is bullish or it's coming down. So till now it is in the range. So this is my view, and that's it for Adani Group. So I just thought this is a really good, I mean, this is a very important news that I should share. So that's why I just came online, and I'm just doing this quick video. I'm not doing the a normal video like I used to do. So these are the 5 stocks that I have in my watch list, and all are down by 12%, 5%. So this is the result. So that's it, guys. So hope you all booked profit and exited from Adani Group. And with that note, I'll just conclude my session, and I'll get back to my live tradings. So this is the position that I gave on the Road Trades community. So if you're just new here, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and be a part of my Road Trades community. I have a Telegram channel in which I post my announcements and all those stuff and trading contents. But I have a Telegram community which is called Road Trades Trading Community, and I have like a small amount of people there who are actually actively trading. So I post my positions, I post my ideas on the market for the next week, next expiry, all those things. So if you are really interested, you can check the links on the description. There are various links on the description for my if you want to open an account, there's a link. If you want to contact me on my WhatsApp, and I have my WhatsApp number there. If you are willing to follow me on my Instagrams and stuff, every links are there. So make sure you look at the description and then do it. So I'll just get back to work. So I thought I'll just make a quick video right here, and see you guys in the next topic. And as I mentioned in the video I posted last night, there's a lot of things coming for you guys. So let's see. I have a lot of set of video ideas, and I'm just in the process of making videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. That's the main thing, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.